Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new to Java, this video is very important. Before installing Java or writing any code, we must first understand what the JDK is and why it is required. In this video, we will focus only on theory. There will be no installations and no programming. Many beginners directly start installing Java without understanding what they are installing. But as a Java developer, you should always know what a tool is and why we need it. Once the concept is clear, I will write the theory in Notepad for better understanding. First concept is what is JDK? JDK stands Java Development Java Development Kit. JDK is a software development package software development package that provides the essential tools required to develop, compile, and run Java applications. Java applications. If you want, if you want to write Java programs, if you want to write Java programs, you must install JDK in your system. Real world example. Real world example. A carpenter required tools required tools to build furnitures to build furniture similar to similar similar to a software engineer a software engineer a software engineer needs the JDK to build Java applications. Java applications. So we can say without JDK, development is not possible. Development is not possible. Second question is what do we need JDK? Java programs are not executed directly by the operating system. First, source code must be compiled, then the compiled code is executed using Java platform. Java programs Java programs are not executed directly by the operating system. First source code first source code can say Java code must be compiled. Source code we can say like dot class file, dot Java file must be compiled, must be compiled. Then the compiled code, then the compiled code is executed using the Java platform. The JDK provide the JDK provide tools like Java compiler, JVM, Java library. So these tools are provided by the JDK. So you can say these tools together together make Java development possible. We can say without JDK, Java development is not possible. Java development is not possible. This video we learn what the JDK is, why it is required. In the next video, we will download the JDK, install it in our system, and verify the installation. After that, we will start writing our first Java program. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.